What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nazareth. Thank you for clicking on this video. Before I begin, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and join my little family. As you guys can see by the title, I'm going to share with you guys a very important product that you guys need to start incorporating into your skincare routine if you have not already. Skincare is not just about cleansers, and it's not just about the moisturizers and the oils. This number one product I feel like a lot of people skip over, and a lot of people think that it's only for the summertime, that it's only when you go to the beach, when you go to the pool, or go on vacation. No. You need sunscreen. You need to apply sunscreen on your skin, on your face, on your arms, on your SPF body. Protects your skin from premature aging and from skin cancer. So it's an important product to incorporate into your skincare routine. And I wanted to share one that I've been loving so far. It is from the brand xoxo. So this is xoxo's Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector, broad spectrum, SPF 42. It's water resistant up to 40 minutes. Perfect, and you need to start now. You need to start using sunscreen now in order to prevent these problems in the future. I love that the sunscreen is not like too greasy, it's not too overbearing. My skin doesn't feel like it has a bunch of products on it. It goes on super smoothly, and I just kind of forget about it, put on my moisturizer, and go about my way. And it's perfect for under makeup as well. It won't make your makeup move around. It's not sticky. It's just the perfect little protective barrier that your skin needs. I feel like a lot of people just don't talk about sunscreen enough in the skincare community. It's often forgotten, and it's often just kind of put in the back burner as something that's not as important. I have these dark marks, and they've been lightening up. I try my best to put on sunscreen on them because I don't want them just to get, darker, and then it takes super long for them to go away. And around my mouth area, I don't know if it picks up on the camera, but it's a little bit darker than the rest of my face. So I try to focus on the sunscreen here as well. A lot of people have it, it's fine. I don't mind it, but I also, I want to take care of it. So xoxo promises to protect your skin from skin cancer and from premature aging, and also it'll make your skin more radiant. Just imagine if I didn't use sunscreen, these dark marks would be darker. Even though it's wintertime and you think like the sun is not going to burn your face, or it's not going to affect your face, the sun is still doing its job. It's just colder. So you have to be very careful. And I've been loving this little guy right here. The brand is amazing. Make sure to check them out. I will leave all the information down in my description box below. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I genuinely love the sunscreen. I genuinely think that sunscreen is an important component to your skincare routine. And if you're not already using it, you have to start. And why not start with xoxo? So make sure you check it out. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe. Always remember to love yourselves, and I will see you guys on my next one. Mwah.